In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money to a bank account on Pocket Option. By the end, you'll feel confident moving funds from your trading account directly to your bank, safely and without confusion. First, sign into your Pocket Option account and head to your account dashboard. This is where all your financial actions live. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your profile details are verified. Some withdrawals may require identity confirmation, and having that done ahead of time prevents delays. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Finance section. This is your hub for deposits, withdrawals, and transaction history. Open it and then choose the withdrawal option. You're now in the right place to start your transfer. From the list of methods, select Bank Transfer. This tells Pocket Option to send your funds straight to your bank account. If you see other methods like e-wallets or cards, that's normal, but for this tutorial we're sticking with bank transfer. If your region offers multiple bank rails, pick the one your bank supports to minimize fees and processing time. Next, enter your withdrawal details. Start with the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it meets the platform's minimum and that you have enough available balance after any potential fees. If your trading currency differs from your bank currency, remember that conversion rates may apply. Then, carefully fill in your bank account information, such as the account number and bank name. Depending on your country, you may also be asked for routing data like an IBAN, SWIFT, or local clearing code. The name on the bank account should match your Pocket Option profile to avoid rejections. Before moving on, double-check every field. A single digit off can delay the transfer or cause it to bounce back. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to submit your request. Pocket Option will begin processing and you may receive an email acknowledging the request and updating you on its status. Processing times vary by region and bank, but it's common for bank transfers to take anywhere from 1 to several business days. During high volume periods or if additional verification is needed, it can take a little longer. A few final tips to ensure a smooth experience. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-ups, avoid sharing sensitive information with anyone, and, if applicable, make sure you've satisfied any bonus or turnover requirements on your account before withdrawing. If something doesn't look right, contact Pocket Option support with your transaction reference so they can assist promptly. And that's it. Your withdrawal is on its way.